Hello, welcome to your weekend forecast from the Met Office. Remember, last weekend it was all about blue skies, hot sunshine beating down. Well, this weekend is rather different. A fresher, cooler feel. Good news if you don't like the heat, and it will be more comfortable for sleeping. There'll be more cloud around, and there'll be a few showers too, particularly on Saturday. But many of us will have a fine day on Sunday, and there will be some sunshine to be had. It's a more typical British weekend, you may say. Now, through Friday evening, there's a couple of areas of cloud and rain just starting to spread southwards. Damp evening across northwest England, parts of Wales too. A few showers elsewhere. Some clearer skies overnight across Scotland and Northern Ireland. It is cooler, but it is still pretty warm and humid across the south. Temperatures in towns and cities here may stay in the mid to high teens. But generally, this cold front swinging south, bringing that fresher feel this weekend. Low pressure in charge as well. Look at the isobars close to northern Scotland. Very close together, so it could get very blustery here, especially so on Saturday. And with low pressure swinging through, the winds coming down from the north or the northwest. That is why it's much cooler this weekend compared to last weekend. Saturday starts off with a lot of cloud, some light rain and drizzle in the south, and then further light showers drifting across parts of the Midlands, Wales and into southern England. They'll be fairly well scattered, fairly light. Meanwhile, the showers in northern Scotland could be quite heavy, and there will be those strong winds here too. In between, we should see some bright or sunny spells, but look at the temperatures. Last weekend, it was all about reaching 30 Celsius. This weekend's mid to high teens, maybe a little bit higher across the south. Certainly cooler than last weekend, but actually these temperatures closer to the average for the time of year. A fresh feel then on Saturday evening, bar one or two showers in the south and some more wet weather in northern Scotland, where it will still be very windy. Actually, for many, it's a fine Saturday night, and again, much more comfortable for sleeping. Temperatures widely down to 10 to 13 degrees Celsius and much less humid across the far south too. Sunday then, well, again, sunny spells and a few showers, chiefly over Scotland, one or two in the west, but they should tend to fade. And actually, for large parts of the UK, Sunday's a fine day. Dry and bright with sunny spells, those winds finally easing in northern Scotland, and temperatures getting into the high teens or the low 20s. There is the threat, though, behind me of a bit more in the way of wet weather, which may well arrive across the north for the early part of next week. More details on that and any extra information about this weekend available online or through our app.